Sur la connexion,
Connection with the rope for the foot and the carabiner and the safe rope on this one. If you have not, for your progression, you have need only your safe rope, you take it. You have need for progression all, you take it, and all is in place. And for the rescue, for the people who has a problem on the road, if you have something in this configuration, it's easier for you.
après on va s'adapter. Mais plus les spéléos fonctionnent comme ça, plus on gagne du temps dans l'autosecours.
You can choose other the choice. So you have more manipulation. You have more
All the people see.
dilemma.
Dilemma.
So you have 1 or 2 ton, 2,000 kilo of resistance.
Et surtout leur dire que l'avantage de la dilemma, c'est que toutes ces techniques de contrepoids, c'est ce qui offre le meilleur finissement.
We can use for counterweight with the dilemma.
Rescue.
If we have a tape, it's difficult. Tape we cannot have with a similar moving. If someone stay on the rope without moving less than 10 minutes, he can die. So it's important to have to know a technique. It was many techniques possible. But choose one and have good knowledge for this technique to help him very quick. If you have people with a low weight, you can use other technique. More in first, you go up to in this delta in
Ensuite, je vais le lever.
he take off his
La
rope
poignée.
and the carabiner.
Et là, je vais récupérer juste ma pédale.
And you take your foot rope.
Et je vais mettre mon mousqueton dessus. Lui, je vais vérifier qu'il ait bien sa grande longe
I look for
indépendante du mousqueton qui va direct sur la poignée.
if it's safe rope on this carabiner. It's directly on the carabiner because we.
Si il était dans cette position, là, automatiquement je change la configuration.
If it's like this,
It's bad.
it's bad.
Donc là, celle-là, je lui mets direct sa pédale là, très bien, et sa grande longe ici. Ma pédale, je la passe dans son mousqueton.
You pass your rope in his carabiner
Et je vais chercher
and put on his crawl.
le crawl. Touc. Là, je vais tirer, il faut que mon nœud il soit à 5 cm ici au moins.
The node of the foot rope is at 5 centimeters of the carabiner. 5-6 centimeters.
C'est très important ça.
Very important to have this distance.
Is this the minimum distance or
It's a normal distance.
Normal distance, yes.
More is problem after. Normal distance,
5 and 6 centimeters.
Ensuite, je prends sa pédale.
He use the foot rope of the cleaver, of the
Très
victim.
important, je passe le pied à l'extérieur.
You pass your leg around outside.
Quand je me soulève, j'enlève mon crawl de la corde.
When he stand up, he take off his crawl.
Hein, je suis toujours longé à lui.
He has a safe rope on the victim.
Et cette pédale que j'ai mise, je vais la mettre dans mon crawl.
And the other part of the rope for counterbalance, put into his crawl.
At the same level. Okay?
They are the same level.
Emrah.
Ici, tac, tac. Je relève mon pied. Pédale.
Take off his,
Je prends mon descendeur. Et je vais installer mon descendeur sur la personne et face à moi.
on the victim, the descendant. With,
Moi je le donne freinage.
with the carabiner to have more control. Tu mets la clé après?
Alors pour l'instant, non. Voilà. Une fois que j'ai fait ça, moi avec mes genoux, je vais le soulever et ça va faire contrepoids.
With your
Donc, je vais
knees,
pouvoir ouvrir son col.
you can grow up on the victim. And during this moving,
C'est possible. Hop, tac. Sans forcer.
you
C'est ça
have
qu'il faut comprendre.
you have
C'est-
not need for
Maintenant, ils voient que le nœud, ce knot,
the knot is under.
now at the limit.
The knot,
Normal.
if the knot is too short,
Là, je ravale le mou dans le descendeur.
after you can have
Tension de descendeur.
and you put the key.
Et là, je fais ma clé de blocage. Ok? Plus de clé.
Put the key.
Tac. Très important maintenant, avant d'aller plus loin, je vais enlever la corde de longe.
You can take off the rope safe of the victim and this carabiner.
Très, very important. Hein.
You take off now.
Ok. Ensuite, je repasse le pied
You use again the
à l'extérieur. Tac. Moi, je vais me soulever et lui, il va descendre en poids sur le descendeur.
when you go up because they are together on the rope counterweight. When you go up, the victim go down and take a place on the descender.
Before, I prepare two carabiners in my delta. Hey, up, off. Hey, now, quitte the crawl, quitte the pedal, took. And when go, tac, directly.
Çok hızlı.
Voilà. Et là, j'ai plus qu'à le descendre.
When you arrive on the ground,
Et toujours à l'écart de la verticale sur le chiffre de pierre.
Aşağı baktı.